You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equals 0. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 3x over 2015 from both sides. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by the coefficient. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equals 0.